The chassis of commercial off-the-shelf electrical appliances have many obscure cavities inside which physical contraband can be trivially hidden. A spot check of such devices for physical contraband can take substantial time, often half an hour or more depending on the complexity of the chassis and peripherals. If the policy of the prison is to check each appliance at least once per month, then it could be a full-time job for one person to manage a small quantity of devices.
In his cell, Terry softens the end of a toothbrush with a cigarette lighter, pushes it into a screw head in the back of his computer, then lets it set again. With this, he is able to gain enough torque to open the chassis and hide a shim pick under the lid of the computer. Jack and James have a history of causing trouble and hence are not permitted to fraternize. Jack opens the battery compartment of the wireless keyboard or mouse in the library and hides a written note for later collection by James. Jack and James continue to use this method to clandestinely communicate. James has a television, a CD player, a radio and a game console in his cell. In the cavity of one of these appliances, he hides a small mobile phone, previously smuggled in by Ben, which goes undetected for some months. Due to the substantial number of appliances and the lack of time available, Daniel fails to find the contraband during a routine spot check.
Toiletries and similar items must not be thermoplastic material to prevent their use as makeshift moulded tools. The all-in-one computer chassis profile offers less cavities than a common desktop computer. Additionally, this profile occupies less desk space and requires fewer external cables. Deployment of a transparent computer chassis, usually made of strong acrylic, can help by exposing hidden cavities and simplifying and speeding up spot checks. The staff's ability to inspect the equipment more quickly and efficiently can decrease the ability of inmates predicting a routine. Note, however, that acrylic chassis may not include adequate electromagnetic shielding as required by some jurisdictions. Regardless of which chassis profile is selected, the hardware manufacturer must secure the chassis with tamper-resistant or pin-in Torx screws to make removal difficult without the correct tool. Tamper-evident tape should be applied to show clear evidence of access to the chassis of the device. However, this is more of a reactionary strategy and implies that staff will become aware of the infraction only after the fact. A single computer can provide television, video, multimedia and gaming functionality, reducing the number of devices requiring regular inspection. Thank you for your time. We hope this has been informative. Please contact us for more details and be sure to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos on secure computing and in-cell technologies for correctional facilities.